I always think it's so funny how we have to pretend to wake up for YouTube videos. I'm like, I deserve an Oscar. Anyway, what up, hooligans? It's Jennifer, and good morning. It is actually not morning. I'm embarrassed to say what time it is. Let's just say it's past noon. Anyway, today I wanted to do a day in my life video. I want to make today just like a self-care, resetting my life, trying to feel good type of day, because we all deserve one of those from time to time. And my hair is really oily and gross because I haven't washed it in a couple days. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah, it's just a day of self-care. It is a Sunday, and normally I work like all days of the week, but today I'm like, I kind of just want to chill. Let's get out of bed, shall we? Big ol' thumbs up, ladies. All right. Gonna pee. Good morning.
No, that's so bad.
Hello guys, I am now in the kitchen ready to eat my first meal of the day. Honestly, every day I kind of eat the same thing. I eat avocado toast, but I've also been taking vitamins, which leads me to thanking Care of for sponsoring this video.
If you don't know what Care of is, it's a wellness brand that makes it really easy to get the right vitamins and supplements and proteins for your needs.
It says, "Hi Jennifer," and I have my supplements in here. It also comes with this instruction manual and like talks about all of the stuff that comes in it. I've just been taking this every morning for a couple weeks now, and I love them because the products are made with good for you, clean ingredients that are backed by science, and they're super transparent about the research and sourcing behind all of their products, which is awesome because you want to know what goes inside your body. Let me get some water. So this year I really want to get my health up, reduce my stress, and just like be a healthier person in general. So hopefully these will also help me get there. Basically how it works is you take this 5-minute quiz that's actually pretty fun because it asks you what your goals are health-wise. Some of my concerns were like stress and sleeping and fitness and hair and skin health, because I feel like I'm just like physically deteriorating. I just want to feel like more alive and energetic, because I feel like recently I've been getting enough sleep, but I always still feel really tired for some reason. So I addressed some of those concerns in my quiz. So it's super convenient, shipped straight to your door. Also, the packs are made from eco-friendly compostable film. We have this green can right here, and I could just like throw it in, which I think is so awesome. I just feel like taking care of your health is so important. I mean, obviously it's important, but I feel like a part of self-love is treating your body correctly and making sure that it has the nutrients that it needs to help you actually thrive. So you can click the link down below to take the quiz to see what vitamins and supplements Care of recommends for you. And you can also use the code JENDIY for 50% off of your first order. Let's get to making some breakfast, loves. Yummy. Making my classic avocado toast now. Here's the thing though, I only have half a slice of bread left, and I have a whole half of an avocado, so that's not gonna fit on it. Maybe I'll just eat the rest of the avocado by itself. Okay, this is my breakfast. It doesn't look too good on the plate, but it's gonna taste very good. I've got half a slice of avocado toast, a blueberry scone, and then half of a potato. Breakfast is served. Hello, I finished breakfast or whatever that freaking meal was, but it is actually surprisingly a sunny day today. It's been raining a lot lately. If you live in Vancouver, you would know. It's crazy how early the sun sets now. It is currently 3:53. I just revealed that I ate breakfast at 3 p.m. Anyway, I want to go outside. I haven't been outside in like a week maybe. So I'm gonna just like put on some skincare to protect myself. I've been trying to take care of my skin lately. I've been breaking out kind of. And I think it's a combination of just like not sleeping and not taking care of myself properly. And also stress. I feel like through quarantine, we've all just endured a lot of stress. And also another thing that I've noticed is like, I feel like I've been losing hair over the past couple of months. I was getting super concerned, which is another reason why I am taking care of, because like one of the supplements is for hair. I'm like, am I going bald? And then I searched it up, and apparently it's like a really common thing with a lot of people during this quarantine because of like stress and whatnot. And I also think it's because I don't really go outside very often, so maybe I'm lacking vitamin D or whatever vitamins that I get from fresh oxygen and the sun. And then I also am like not moving my body or exercising, so I'm gonna go outside and like do some skateboarding. I just got this really cool skateboard. It's transparent. I'll show you in a second, but first of all, I have to put on sunscreen because we gotta protect the skin. I was really good about putting on sunscreen every day for a while, but then I've gotten really lazy because like, I'm like, nothing matters. We're gonna be in quarantine forever. But doing things that I would normally do makes it feel, I don't really know. I am the same paleness as my shirt. That's awesome. Skateboarding.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. Try to play my part.
My neighbors are staring at me.
Memorized in my heart. I keep losing to a moment where I'm with you, I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV. I know the truth and it's so simple. Blame it all on stupid impulse, and I keep living out of my head. Just forgive me for my silence. My lies memorized in my heart.
Hello, loves. What is that? Oh, so I'm back home now. I have some water. Wash my hands, of course. No bro, not for me. Okay, I don't know if anyone else has this, but I grew up just like not drinking water ever. I just got all my water from like fruits and veggies that I would eat. I just like didn't like the way it tasted when I was younger, but now I feel like it's so important. However, anytime I drink like a cup, like if I drink like half a cup of water, I have to pee like immediately. So is there a way to like not have to pee so often? Like, I know the point is to like flush out all the toxins and whatever, but it's just annoying to like have to go pee so often. This is so, it's like, bro, like you're gonna have to pee, just like drink the water. Like I know, but like I don't want, like, it's fine. Anyway, we're about to eat dinner, which is kind of crazy. It's currently almost 6 p.m. I'm gonna try to sleep early today because I sort of have like the same amount of hours in a day as a regular person, but my whole schedule is like shifted back. So I've been sleeping around like 3 a.m. lately, which is very late, I know, but it's like I still get like the 8 hours of sleep in like however many hours of the day that regular people have, but I just like don't really see the sun. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. Eyes puffy and all. So yesterday I was prepared to have a nice chill night of self-care, putting on a face mask and like reading and doing all the things. I ended up crying for a couple hours just because some like personal stuff happened, but I actually haven't cried in a really long time. I have this weird thing about crying. Like I hate crying, and there was a point where I didn't cry for like 3 years. My therapist was like, you gotta just like let yourself cry sometimes. So yesterday I was like, okay, I'm just gonna let myself cry, and it felt pretty good, although I forgot like how much it drains your energy and you feel like so dehydrated afterwards. So I drank a lot of water, but I also wasn't really in the mood to vlog, so sorry about that. But we're continuing this morning, and after a good night's sleep I feel better. It is Monday now, so I do have to get some work done, but because my eyes are feeling puffy, I want to put on these eye gel patches, which I am obsessed with. They smell so good. They smell like green tea. I don't actually know if they help with puffiness or anything, but they just feel good. So I feel like it might be a placebo effect for me. Looks like this. It feels so good. I have to do some editing and then to answer some emails and whatnot, but I also want to continue to do stuff that I enjoy, that make me feel good. So I think I'm gonna do a little bit of crafting. I've been really into jewelry making lately, so I think I'm gonna do a little bit of that. If you want to check out my handmade jewelry, I'll link my site down below. I'm just like selling a couple of them for funsies. A little while later, I have just been working, doing some email stuff, doing some planning. I colored it with metallic markers, and so it's like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like metallic. So I'm gonna take these off now. They're like dried to my face, like you're not supposed to leave it on for that long. But I think right now I want to take a break from working. A lot of you guys have been asking about my jewelry making process. I've been posting a lot about it on my Instagram stories. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I have this box full of all my jewelry supplies. Let me just show you what I've been making so far. I have been obsessed with making these earrings. I don't have ear holes. I mean, no, I have like the audio ear holes, but I don't have like ear piercing holes. So this is what they look like. They're super cute. These are the light pink / purple ones are my favorites, and also the yellow ones, and also the white ones. And I mean, these are really cute too. So I mean, I really like all of them. Yeah, so that's just been exciting. I've been making them while like watching shows and stuff, and it's just been bringing me a lot of joy. Ooh, these ones are so cute. These are also butterflies, but they're like crystal butterflies. These ones I think just look so fancy and cool. I did so much research and I sourced like really high quality materials. So these are all stainless steel. They shouldn't fade or anything. They're super cute. I wish I had ear holes. Oh, I've been obsessed with this lock necklace. It's so cute over like a long sleeve. Oh, I also have these star necklaces. Oh, these are so cute. They're these dangly stars. Oh, I'm obsessed with this. Check it out if you would like to. I am going to continue making some necklaces and stuff. Oh, I think I'm gonna make a butterfly version of the necklace. Hi guys, it is maybe an hour later. The sun has set. I got my TikTok lights on. So I just got this new jewelry box organizer thing, and I've just been organizing all my chains and charms and supplies. It's been very fun and therapeutic. Now that I've done that, I have to answer a couple more emails, get back to work. I want to nap. Why am I so tired?
But I would never step outside on another birthday.
Hello and welcome to my bed once again. We have come to the end of the night. I ended off the night by watching some Bachelor, my weekly ritual. I am obsessed with the drama. And I also watched a hockey game, very Canadian of me. And then I did some editing and answered some more emails, but I wanted to end off the night by putting on a face mask. Alright, you can't really see it because it's one of those clear ones, but my face mask is on. That is it for my day. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on my self-care day, including some a mental breakdown. But that's life, you know. Shout out of the week is right here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!